Hello students, let's continue chapter 15th of science, that is light. In previous video we have studied about mirrors. Now in this video we will study about lenses. So we will study images formed by lenses. So students, mirror में one side shining surface होता है and one side polished surface होता है, but lenses transparent होते हैं. You might have seen a magnifying glass. It is used to read very small print. You can see in this figure. You might have also used it to observe the body parts of a cockroach or an earthworm. The magnifying glass is actually a type of a lens. Lenses are widely used in magnifying glass, spy hole indoors, microscope, flashlight, telescope, etc. Get some lenses, touch and feel them. Can you find some difference just by touching? Yes, you will feel some differences just by touching. So lenses which is thick in middle and thin at its edges is called a convex lens, and the lens which is thin in the middle and thick at its edges is called a concave lens. सो स्टूडेंट्स, तुम सिर्फ लेंस को टच करके ये पता कर सकते हो कि ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है या कॉनकेव लेंस है. अगर लेंस मिडिल में से थिक है और साइड से थिन है तो वो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होगा, और अगर लेंस मिडल में से थिन है और साइड से थिक है तो वो कॉनकेव लेंस होता है. एंड लेंसेज आर ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड लाइट कैन पास थ्रू देम. Now we will perform activity 15.9 to obtain the image of the sun using convex lens and concave lens. Firstly, we will take a convex lens, put it in the path of sun rays. Place a piece of paper below it as shown in the figure. Adjust the distance between the lens and the paper till you get a bright spot on the paper. Hold the lens and the paper in this position for a few minutes. Now replace the convex lens with a concave lens. Students, do you see a bright spot on the paper this time too? Why are you not getting a bright spot this time? You will observe that a small and bright image of the sun can be obtained on the paper by a convex lens. The paper start burning on holding the lens steady for more time. No, the image of the sun, that is bright spot, cannot be obtained on paper by a concave lens. So students, इस एक्टिविटी से हमें ये क्लियर होता है कि जब हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस यूज़ करते हैं तो हमें पेपर पर एक वाइट स्पॉट दिखाई देता है, और अगर हम कंटिन्यू उसको सेम सिचुएशन में रखते हैं तो पेपर कुछ टाइम बाद बर्न होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. पर जब हम कॉनकेव लेंस यूज़ करते हैं तो हमें सन की इमेज नहीं दिखाई देती है, मीन्स हमें कोई वाइट स्पॉट दिखाई नहीं देगा. बिकॉज द rays coming from the concave lens do not actually meet at a fixed point, that is real image of the sun cannot be formed by a concave lens. So we will conclude that when an object is kept far away from a convex lens, it forms a real image, whereas a concave lens forms a virtual image. एंड इस एक्टिविटी से ये भी क्लियर होता है कि कॉन्वेक्स लेंस से रियल इमेज बनती है एंड कॉनकेव लेंस से वर्चुअल इमेज बनती है. नाउ वी विल परफॉर्म एक्टिविटी 15.10 to observe the study the images formed by placing an object at different distances in front of the convex lens. So in this activity, firstly we will take a convex lens and fix it on a stand. Place the stand with the lens on a table. Keep a lighted candle on the table at a distance of about 40 cm from the lens. Try to obtain the image of the candle on the screen placed on the other side of the lens. Move the screen towards or away from the lens to get a sharp image of the flame on the screen. So students, you can see in this figure. Now vary the distance of the candle as 35 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter from the lens, and try to obtain the image of the candle flame on the screen by moving it. Now keep the distance of the candle from the lens as 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and try to obtain the image of the candle flame or look into the lens. सो स्टूडेंट्स इन इस एक्टिविटी में हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड कॉनकेव लेंस को एक फ्रेम में फिट करेंगे और उसके आगे एक लाइटेड कैंडल रखकर उसकी इमेजेस ऑब्जर्व करेंगे। इसमें हम डिस्टेंस कम ज़्यादा करके इमेज को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, तुम ये ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि जब कैंडल एंड लेंस की डिस्टेंस 40 सेंटीमीटर एंड 35 सेंटीमीटर होती है, तब कैंडल की इमेज उसके रियल इमेज से स्मॉल होती है, डिमिनिश्ड होती है एंड इन्वर्टेड होती है और रियल इमेज बनती है। बट जब डिस्टेंस 30 सेंटीमीटर होता है तब इमेज सेम साइज़ होती है, जिस साइज़ की कैंडल है उसी साइज़ की इमेज होगी, इन्वर्टेड होगी एंड रियल होगी। नेक्स्ट, जब डिस्टेंस 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर है तब इमेज लार्जर होगी, मीन्स जो हमारा कैंडल का साइज है उससे बड़ा हमें इमेज दिखाई देगा एंड इन्वर्टेड होगा और रियल इमेज होगा। नेक्स्ट, जब डिस्टेंस 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर है तब हमें इमेज का साइज लार्ज दिखाई देगा बट इरेक्ट दिखाई देगा एंड इमेज वर्चुअल होगी। So we will conclude that image formed by a convex lens is of two types, that is real and virtual. When image formed by a convex lens is real, it is inverted and this image may be larger or smaller or of the same size as the object. Virtual image formed by a convex lens is always erect and magnified. और जब हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के प्लेस पर कॉनकेव लेंस यूज़ करते हैं तो इमेज हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट से स्मॉल होती है, इरेक्ट होती है एंड वर्चुअल होगी। चाहे कैंडल किसी भी डिस्टेंस पर रखा हो, उसकी इमेज हमेशा स्मॉलर होगी, इरेक्ट होगी एंड वर्चुअल होगी जब हम कॉनकेव लेंस यूज़ करेंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ क्लियर। व्हेन वी यूज़ कॉनकेव लेंस, the image formed by a concave lens is always virtual, erect and smaller than the object, even if the object is placed at any distance from the concave lens. Students, a concave lens converges the light generally falling on it. You can see in this figure. Therefore, it is called a converging lens. On the other hand, a concave lens diverges the light and is called a diverging lens. You can see in given figures. So हम convex lens को converging lens भी कह सकते हैं एंड concave lens को diverging lens भी कहते हैं। Today we will study about sunlight, that is white or colored. So students, this is the last topic of this chapter. Students, you have seen a rainbow in the sky. You might have noticed that it appears usually after the rain when the sun is low in the sky. The rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky with many colors. You can see in this figure. How many colors are present in a rainbow? When observed carefully, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Though it may not be easy to distinguish all of them, these are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. And you might have seen that when you blow soap bubbles, they appear colorful. Similarly, when light is reflected from the surface of a compact disc, that is CD, you see many colors. You can see in this figure. On the basis of these experience, could we say that the sunlight is a mixture of different colors? Now we will perform activity 15.11 to show dispersion of sunlight by a prism. Firstly, we will take a glass prism, allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room to fall on one face of the prism. Let the light coming out of the other face of the prism fall on a white sheet of paper or on a white wall. Students, what do you observe? Do you see colors similar to those in a rainbow? You will observe that a band of 7 colors is seen on the white sheet of paper. Yes, there are 7 colors appearing on the white sheet of paper. These 7 colors are serially from top to bottom: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So we will conclude that this shows that the sunlight consists of 7 colors. The sunlight is said to be white light. This means that the white light consists of 7 colors. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस एक्टिविटी से हमें ये क्लियर हो जाता है कि जो सनलाइट है, जिसको हम वाइट लाइट भी कहते हैं, वह 7 कलर्स से मिलकर बनी होती है. मीन्स वाइट लाइट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 7 कलर्स. Can you mix these colors to get white light? Let's try. So we will perform activity 15.12. Firstly, we will take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter diameter. Divide this disc into 7 segments. Paint the 7 rainbow colors on these segments as shown in figure A. So students, you can see in this figure. You can also paste colored papers on these segments. Now make a small hole at the center of the disc. Fix the disc loosely on the tip of a refill of a ball pen. Ensure that the disc rotates freely. Rotate the disc in the daylight. When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed together and the disc appears to be whitish. So you can see in this given figure. So we will conclude that this shows the white light is made up of 7 colors. Such a disc is popularly known as Newton's disc. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस एक्टिविटी से ये क्लियर होता है कि जो वाइट लाइट है वो 7 कलर्स से मिलकर बनी होती है एंड इस डिस्क को हम न्यूटन्स डिस्क भी कहते हैं. पहेली हैज़ अ ब्रिलियंट आइडिया. शी हैज़ प्रिपेयर्ड अ स्मॉल टॉप with a small circular disc with 7 rainbow colors painted on it, like this given figure. When the top rotates, it appears nearly white. So students, this is the end of chapter 15th of science, that is light. We will meet again with new video. Up till then, thank you.